We're on hole.
Here goes Mr. Clean.
Madison just thought she saw a tombstone in the middle of a golf course. Her favorite activity so far is driving the cart and washing the ball. Let's see how she does here.
You're not supposed. Hey,
Shh, okay, shh,
you
shh.
just said you weren't supposed to talk about someone swinging.
I didn't know you were getting ready to swing. That counted.
Ready?
Yes.
Mr. Clean, ready for a hole in one.
That was horrible. You weren't even close to the ball.
Oh my God!
Did you just hit that bird? Did you just hit that bird?
Oh my God!
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.